Cappadocia is a region located in central Turkey that is known for its unique geological features, underground cities, and hot air balloon rides. It is a popular tourist destination for both domestic and international travelers, who come to see the fairy chimneys, rock-cut churches, and experience the region's rich history and culture. The region's name, Cappadocia, comes from the ancient Persian word Katpatuka, which means land of beautiful horses. It is believed that the region was once home to a breed of horses that were highly prized by the Persians. The unique geological features of Cappadocia are the result of centuries of erosion and the movement of tectonic plates. The region is characterized by its soft, easily erodible rock, which has been shaped over time into towering spires, known as fairy chimneys, as well as underground cities and tunnels. One of the most popular activities in Cappadocia is hot air ballooning, which allows visitors to get a bird's-eye view of the region's stunning landscape. The balloons are typically launched at sunrise, when the winds are calmest, and provide breathtaking views of the region's fairy chimneys, valleys, and rock-cut churches. Speaking of rock-cut churches, Cappadocia is home to numerous examples of early Christian architecture, including the Gorim Open-Air Museum and the underground cities of Derinkuyu and Kemakli. These underground cities were built by the early Christians as a means of protection against persecution by the Roman Empire. They were connected by a network of tunnels and were equipped with everything needed for long-term habitation, including living quarters, storage rooms, chapels, and stables. In addition to its geological and historical attractions, Cappadocia is also home to a number of traditional Turkish villages, where visitors can experience the local way of life and try traditional Turkish foods. The region is known for its production of grapevines and its delicious wines, as well as its locally grown fruits and vegetables. Overall, Cappadocia is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, geology, or just looking to experience something truly unique. Whether you're interested in taking a hot air balloon ride, exploring underground cities, or simply soaking up the local culture, Cappadocia has something for everyone.